This video shows you how to complete an application on Kynect and how to see your household's potential eligibility. With Kynect, you can apply for programs and see your household's eligibility. The programs that can be applied for on Kynect include Medicaid, K-CHIP, or Kentucky Children's Health Insurance Program, which provides health coverage, KI-HIP, or Kentucky Integrated Health Insurance Premium Program, which helps cover medical premiums for employer-sponsored insurance plans, Qualified Health Plans, or QHPs, which allows residents to buy a qualified health insurance plan with or without payment assistance and special discounts. SNAP, or Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, provides food assistance. Any resident who has not been found to have committed an intentional program violation may apply for SNAP. KTAP, or Kentucky Transitional Assistance Program, provides financial assistance. And Child Care Assistance helps Kentuckians pay for child care. Please note that not all Kentucky assistance programs have self-service applications through Kynect. For example, FAST or Family Assistance Short-Term, which provides short-term financial assistance, can only be applied for with a case manager. Contact your local Department for Community-Based Services office to learn more. To apply, log in to kynect.ky.gov, then click Apply for Benefits from the Resident Dashboard. The amount of time to complete your application may depend on household size and details. Gather important information such as your Social Security number, income, and expense information prior to completing the application. Click Start Benefits Applications to start the application. Then click I agree after reading the information on the pop-up screen. Select the programs you want to apply for from the program selection screen and click Next. The application is divided into sections. Click on a section from the left side navigation tabs to begin each section. You need to complete all required fields to complete an application section. When you reach the section to select race, please note, if you choose American Indian or Alaskan Native, an additional required question will appear, which is only applicable to SNAP. You must select one of the following options: Indian/Urban Indian, California Indian, or Other in order to continue with the application. The navigation tabs on the left side display the application sections and include progress indicators that track the progress of each section. At the bottom of the side menu, a progress indicator key explains the meaning of each icon. After completing all necessary sections, sign and submit your application. The Statement of Understanding appears as a pop-up box and allows you to listen to the statements, or you can view the same information in text below the recording. Then click I agree. Answer the final application questions and electronically sign by entering your name into the signing fields. Now click Submit Benefits Application to submit the application. Finally, you are taken to the eligibility results screen to see the programs for which you are eligible. The eligibility statuses are Approved, Pending Interview, Pending Verification, or Denied. For food assistance, cash assistance, and child care assistance cases, 2 appointment scheduling buttons appear on the eligibility results screen: Schedule Later and Schedule Appointment. Click Schedule Appointment to begin selecting a preferred appointment location. Residents can click Schedule Later on the eligibility results screen to proceed to the Next Step screen. For other programs, click Next Steps to view the next steps for the application. Kynect then directs you to your application's next steps. Next steps depend on the program you applied for and its status. Kynect sends you a notice of your application status called Notice of Eligibility. You will find this in your document center. Kynect also sends the status information in the mail or electronically depending on your communication preferences. If you need to submit documents as a next step, you can click Go to the Document Center to upload documents that verify the information in your application. You must complete this step for your application to be approved. To apply for other programs that you do not have or have not applied for in the application, click Apply for Benefits. Select the programs you want to apply for from the program selection screen and click Next to move through the application for those programs. Please note that residents may return back to their dashboard homepage where options and announcements are shown. There are clickable selections on the left side navigation tabs. Additional options and announcements are displayed in the center of the dashboard. The Minimize and Maximize screen features allow residents to choose the view of the announcements. Clicking the plus icon to the right of an announcement maximizes the details, and clicking the minus icon minimizes the details. Banners appear at the top of the screen when the Report a Change button has been replaced with either the Renewal or Snap Mid-Review button. This banner clarifies why a resident cannot currently report a change. Additionally, if you have committed an intentional program violation as discussed earlier, a banner will appear on the dashboard to explain that a SNAP renewal cannot be completed and to contact DCBS for more information on how to proceed. Users may also click Tab on their keyboard to reveal a hidden ADA-compliant element with a Skip to Main Content link in a red box that displays at the top left of the screen. If the link is clicked or Enter is selected on the keyboard, the screen moves to the first body content item of that screen. If you need help with a Medicaid, KI-HIP, or qualified health plan, contact kynect at 1-855-459-6328 or get help from an agent or connector. Certain qualified connectors are able to assist with SNAP and CCAP applications as well. For other programs, including programs that are not available for self-service application, such as FAST, call the Department for Community-Based Services or DCBS at 1-855-306-8959.